with the goal of achieving carbon peak by 2030 and carbon neutrality by 2060. The entire world has embarked on a new era for large-scale clean energy applications. The wide application of air source heat pumps in the society is now leading a comprehensive transformation of heat sources, boasting continuous technological innovations and product breakthroughs. Micoe drives application innovations and industrial upgradings with advanced productivity. Micoe invests RMB 1.045 billion for 2 modern heat pump manufacturing bases. Micoe Shunde air source heat pump production base is a professional air source heat pump manufacturing base covering an area of 68,667 square meters. The base is equipped with professional national laboratories and a number of professional air source heat pump production lines and supporting workshops, with an annual output of 1 million units. Micoe North Air Source Heat Pump Production Base has 8 modern heat pump production lines, 5 ultra-low temperature laboratories at -35 degrees Celsius, and a base technology research institute for heat pump, with an annual output of 700,000 units. As a leader in clean energy, Micoe develops its production base from Shunde at Pearl River Delta to Lianyungang, the eastern starting city of the Belt and Road Initiative, connecting its production network at the north and the south, aiming at the target to promote renewable energy application. Micoe will forge ahead for a new future.